Amber's tutelage is guiding minds. This is the letter C. The letter C makes the sound k, 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 just like when you're coughing. K, k, k. Join in making the sounds and say the words too. This is a carrot. Carrot starts with k, k. This is a car. Car starts with k, k. This person is playing cricket. Cricket starts with a k, k. This is a cork. A cork starts with k, k. This is a camel. A camel starts with k, k. This is a clip. A clip starts with k, k, k. This is a cup. A cup starts with k, k. This is a clock. A clock starts with k, k, k. This is cola. Cola starts with k, k, k. This is a counting frame. Counting frame starts with k, k, k. These are counters. Counters starts with k, k, k. This is sweet corn. Corn starts with k, k, k. This is a cube. Cube starts with k, k, k. These are cotton tips. Cotton tips starts with k, k, k. This is a candle. Candle starts with k, k, k. This is a cap. Cap starts with k, k, k. This is a cow. Cow starts with k, k, k. This is colourful. Colourful starts with k, k, k. We can clap. Clap starts with k, k, k. These are cards. Cards starts with k, k, k. You are clever. Clever starts with k, k, k. I heard a crack. Crack starts with k, k, k. I heard a clank. Clank starts with k, k, k. Did you join in with the sound? K, k, k. Now it's your turn to look around your environment and find things that start with the k, k, k sound. You can go back and re-watch this as many times as you want to practice your sound k, k, k. Amber's tutelage is guiding minds.